No. And they're wondering why I'm not going to work today.
I have to see Mommy.
Alright, Ryan, wait a minute. And look at that car. And look at that car. We have about 3 feet of snow out there. Look at my poor little car. Can you see that from the hood of the car up? How buried it is?
Yeah, Mom.
The rooftops don't have much snow because
That's the way my
the drifts. And they didn't get it too bad over there because of the drifts. It was going the other way, so that car's not really buried. But my car is pretty darn buried. And there's the driveway. See how white? Nobody's going anywhere. See that car again? There's another one. A lot of snow out there.
Yeah, Mom.
I think we're snowbound for a few days here. This is what they've been calling the blizzard of 96. Ryan, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And here's Ryan.
Mommy,
What?
it's my turn to play.
It's your turn?
Yeah.
Okay, say it's your turn.
It's my turn.
Okay, say bye-bye.
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 Go, sir.
Aw, sorry, I don't want to dance. You want an update on the snow today? Come on. There's my car. Being buried some more. No. By the snow. Ryan, you're right in my shop there, boy.
I can't see Mommy.
Alright, wait a minute.
I
I hear a snow blower. Stan, arch out with the blower. I see the snow blowing, but I don't see Art. Whoa.
Hey,
Do you see the snow blowing there in the camera?
Look at that. Look at all that snow, Ryan.
Yeah.
There he comes.
I see him.
You see Art?
Yeah. He's doing it.
Oh, there goes all the snow on my car.
He has to do it.
What?
He has to do it, Mommy.
Stan, help her.
Sarah has to see too.
Sarah wants to see too?
Yeah. He has to do it. He has to do it. Hey, he's not doing it.
How high does that come up to on him, Stan?
It's pretty high.
Yeah. See, I want to see has to do it.
Alright, we'll give you an update when he's drew a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's too high in some areas.
Alright, let's see how much progress Daddy made. Well, he found my car. Look at this one next door. Look how high the snow is. And then that in the snow, Daddy put right behind my car. Now you know what's going to happen? The plows are going to come and bury my car again. Oh. And he's got another mountain right in front of my car. I don't know what he thinks I'm going to do with those mountains. How am I going to get out of there? Let's close up with Daddy.
Let's go see Sprout Gump. Okay. Hi, Sprout Gump. Why are you in the hospital? I'm here for another operation to straighten out my leg. It's the fourth and last time. You've been here 4 times? Aren't you scared? I wasn't first.
And that other car over there is still buried.
I get to stay up late. I thought the operations hurt a little bit afterwards. And you sleep right through the operation and don't feel a thing. What are you in for?
Who's this woman?
You're lucky. After that operation, you'll get all the ice cream you need. Ice cream? All the cream?
Look at Daddy being funny.
Have Tonto. Ice cream feels good. But I'm still leaving. Let's talk to one more person.
Oh!
There's Mr. Freckles' room. Mr. Freckles' bed is all folded up. Even he left. Could you please put the bucket? I've got 5 big chips. One day I must learn how to use those buttons. Mr. Bumble, are you scared to be in the hospital? Heavens no. I come here all the time. Everybody's so done.
Sarah, eat your carrot. Look at my babies eating their carrots and the jammies after they had the bath.
Once I got started, I just couldn't get out.
You like your carrot, girl? You like yours, Ryan? Sarah, that's right. Hey, play nice. Let's go see through the window what's going on with the snow. Well, Daddy finally got my car in the driveway. And the plows came and plowed in the whole driveway. And there's Art and Ann, the landlords, downstairs, trying to finish their side. Snowblower ran out of gas. Ryan, leave Sarah alone. Sarah, come here with Mommy. I showed you carrot on camera already. Alright, here's Ryan's carrot. And how beautiful one it is. Alright, we'll bring you up on the progress of what's going on later. Well, here we are. This is what, can't even really see, it's too dark. You can see my car. There's across the street. I think it's too dark to see. Alright. This is me and Lily driving around in the car like idiots. They have declared a state of emergency. They have declared a state of emergency, and they have closed down most of the roads. And Lily picks me up and decides to just go gallivanting so we can videotape. These streets actually don't look that bad. This is Blizzard 96, 32 inches of snow. We'll be back later. Listen closely to our tires. We are stuck on a street that has not been plowed. Lily, you got a rocket. Can you hear the tires? All right, Lil, hold on. I'm going to get out and push. Yeah, right. There's Niecy and Dom and Lisa. And we're stuck right in front of their stupid house. And they're looking at us going, who the hell is this? These dumb idiots. Can't see him anymore.
Come out, you fools! Not you.
Tell them what it is.
Hmm?
Tell them what it is.
Tell what it is?
Tell the camera what you're videotaping.
Oh, you try to go home now.
You got what in your mouth? This is a plow that had to be pulled out because he got stuck. So he was pulled out by another truck. But by the time we got the camera on it, we missed it. Show them out in the snow that he got stuck in. Okay, whatever. Trying to get bread for Annie, duh. I hope she busts her ass. Okay, this is Hillside Avenue. Looks pretty good so far. And in a minute, we on your right-hand side. Lily is going to attempt to turn into Mud Avenue. Okay. Alright, and we have sound effects and everything. And this is Mud Avenue. You are getting this from my view. Isn't this beautiful?
No, I didn't get it all the way up.
Look at this. These cars. Look at that van. Is that a van?
That's a van. That van isn't going anywhere anytime soon.
None of these cars are going anywhere.
Oh, I think he's pretty cleaned out.
No, these guys. Look at these guys over here on the right.
Look at this one. You see this one? Wait. I gotta get that.
Which one? I'm running low on battery. It's flashing.
Oh, come on, because I want you to get a look. Don't zoom.
Oh my god.
There is a car there. You got it?
Only because I could see the window.
Alright, don't turn it off. Let's see if we have enough battery to go up.
Battery flashing.
Hmm?
How long after the battery flashes?
A minute or two. So, but if you turn it off and turn it back on, it uses more. Alright, everybody come
Let's
on.
look both ways. Oh, can't see out my window. Whoops. And we slipping and sliding. Look at this road. Only us. Only us. Woo. Now she's doing it on purpose. Look at this van. They ain't going anywhere. That nice little snowbank. Oh, we're losing focus.
Alright, there's a car on your right.
Where?
There is a car on your right. It's right there.
And there is a car under there somewhere. Whose car is that?
There.
Yeah?
Look, are you getting it?
Yeah. Oh my god. Well, and there's Annie's house.
Get ours.
And there's our house and Mom's car. Oh, my mountains are higher than your mountains.
Yeah, because we have more room.
And you got your car next to Mom's?
No.